Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking, and today we're paying our respects to a true legend, Anthony Bourdain, and one of his favorites, the Fried Mortadella Sandwich. This sandwich is a known favorite of Anthony Bourdain, so we're doing a little bit of a tribute here, a little ode. Is that how you would say it? A little ode to Anthony Bourdain?
Yep.
And what we're gonna do is we're gonna just turn our stovetop on between low and medium. You don't want it too hot, get hot. Let it get warm, and then we're gonna do 3 little piles of mortadella. I'm gonna use 2 to 3 slices in each pile, and then we're gonna do a little cheese on top. Now, a lot of people use provolone. However, we went the trash route. We're using good old white American cheese, because that baby's gonna melt up phenomenal. Ben, do you think you'd call me Yes Chef from now on?
Why, because of the bear or what?
Well, no, I think we've reached about 85 episodes, and I think I've earned my cap.
Sure, chef.
Thank you. Yes, chef, is Ben.
I think you're at a sure chef place.
Okay, that means he's not taking me serious. He owns all the rights to the show, and he hates me. By the way, when you have leftover mortadella, you want to make sure that you wrap it really, really well, because it will dry out on the ends, and then it starts to look like this. And you don't want that. All right, you know what I'm saying? Let's get a little. You open it up, the foil to the mortadella, just looking back at you like, I'm dried out.
Yeah, your meat's got Forrest Whitaker eye.
Yeah, thank you. It's the Forrest Whitaker of deli meats.
Exactly.
Is what I'm telling you. So you gotta be careful. Wrap that up. Make sure it's nice and sealed. Okay, let's get it going here, Benny. Let's take a little pile. You're gonna start to see the fat render out of this a little bit here. You don't need any olive oil or anything in here. It's gonna create its own fat, and then it's just gonna brown up really, really nice. We'll leave it on there for a couple minutes here. We got these absolutely fantastic. Look at this bun, Ben. Look at the shine on that thing. Woo! Not even your car looks like that. Little brioche bun. We're gonna put a little butter in there, and we're gonna grill it up. So now when we flip this, what we're looking for is a little bit of golden, a little golden brown. So let's see if we did that, all right, Benny? Let's give it a little flip. What do you think the odds of this being golden brown are after a couple minutes here?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Wham! Look at it, Ben. Get in there and get that golden. Oh, yeah. Now what I'm gonna do, because I like a little pepper, you don't need any salt. You got salt in the cheese, you got salt in the mortadella, so just sprinkle a little pepper. I like a little pepper on that. And then, on the other side now, let's put that cheese right on there. And then, I'm gonna cover it up with my lid. Get that all melted up. I'm gonna take it out of the pan. I'm gonna put it onto the plate, and then we're gonna do our bun, make our sandwich, and beautiful.
So why now an ode to Anthony Bourdain?
Because I recently saw it, and I said, that's something that I gotta do. And, he's an icon in the cooking world, and so we're doing it.
You a big Bourdain guy?
Nah, I didn't watch him once. But, nah, I thought he was great. Yeah, you need people like that. The world needs more people like that. All right, Benny. So you see how this cheese is melting here? Look at that. How do you feel about that, Ben?
Don't hate it.
All right, now we're gonna get this out of here. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pile it, and here comes another layer. Oh yeah, mint. Now, let's take a little butter, put it in that pan, get all the fat there from the mortadella, mix it in with the butter. And again, you got your setting on your stove top here between low and medium, and then we're gonna just take this incredible brioche bun, just gonna set it down like so.
Did you order these in New York a lot?
No, this wasn't a thing.
This isn't in New York?
Not really. I mean, and if it was, I didn't know about it. I was just eating regular sandwiches. But this is a nice little little treat here.
So is this like a proper Italian thing?
I didn't do any research here, Ben. The only thing that I know is that mortadella is an absolutely phenomenal meat. It's pork, and it's got that saltiness with the little pistachio in it, and when it's sliced really thin, it's hard to beat. We've all had the bologna sandwich. Growing up, that was what your mother had in the fridge, but that's trash. You gotta step up your game. And the way to do that is get yourself some thinly sliced mortadella and make one of these bad boys. This thing's got class and character, much like the man who loved it himself, Anthony Bourdain. If you want the recipe, as always, it's in the description below. And from our house to yours, bon appetit. Oh my God.
Is it really good?
Oh my God.
That's incredible.
Almost. Why did Anthony Bourdain kill himself?